Hello friends, in information technology, our chapter is basics of information technology and our topic is categories of software. We have already seen what is open source software and what is closed source software. In this lecture, we will see what is application software and what is system software. Let's see. Application software. What is application software? Application software is a program or group of programs designed for end users. Application software, also called as end user programs, includes the program like database programs, word processors, web browsers, presentation softwares and spreadsheets. What is this application software? This application software can be run in your operating system and those softwares can help you to perform the specific operations. For example, in your computer, here is a paint software. This paint software is a application software. You can draw the paintings or you can draw a symbols or any kind of designs or use any kind of colors to paint on your computer. So this is the application software which is particularly used for paintings or drawing on your computer. So that is the example of your application software. On the other hand, you all know what is MS Word, Microsoft Word, that can be used for word processing, web browsers. So here I am using Mozilla or I am using a Chrome software, that is web browsers. So you can access the internet on your computer. Presentation software, we all know we make PPTs, PowerPoint presentations, you all know, that is presentation software. This is application software. And spreadsheet, you all know the Excel sheet in Microsoft Excel. These are the spreadsheets. So you can perform mathematical operations also and you can arrange the data row and column wise in this spreadsheet. So these are the application software. Basically what the application softwares are, the softwares which can be run on your operating system to help you in the specific task. The specific task can be defined by the users. On the other hand, what is system software? System software is the set of instructions required for computer to work. See, you all know that if we are using computer, then we should have a operating system on it. What is operating system? Operating system is nothing but your system software, which is the interface between your user and the computer, or we may say user and machine. So we all have to have that bridge between user and machine, so our instructions can be converted into machine language. So this system software helps us to convert our instructions into machine language. For example, Linux is the operating system. System is a program that allows different application and various components of hardware such as monitor, printer, mouse, keyboard, etc. to communicate with each other. So if I am using the mouse pointer, so if I am clicking somewhere, that instruction is already saved in your operating system. What will be performed after I click on this start symbol? What will be performed if I clicked on this computer name? So these instructions are already have been saved in system software. So this system software is responsible to run your system, to communicate between the machine and our instructions. So that is what the system software is. So I hope you understand what is application software and what is system software. Thank you so much.